Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Chapter 5. Suta Uvacha Atatam Sukamasina Upasinam Bruhachravaha Devarshihi Praha Viprarshim Veena Pani Smayanniva. Suta Goswami said, thus the sage amongst the gods, Narada, comfortably seated and apparently smiling, addressed the Rishi amongst the Brahmanas, Vedavyasa. Narada Uvacha Parasharya Mahabhaga Bhavatah Kacchidatmana Paritushyati Sharira Atma Manasa Eva Va. Addressing Vyasadeva, the son of Parasara, Narada inquired, are you satisfied by identifying with the body or mind as objects of self-realization? Jignasitam susampannam apite mahadadbhutam krutavan bharatam yastvam sarvartapari brumhitam. Your inquiries were full and your studies were also well fulfilled, and there is no doubt that you have prepared a great and wonderful work, the Mahabharata, which is full of all kinds of Vedic sequences elaborately explained. Jignasitamadhinam Jignasitamadhitam cha Brahmayattat Sanatanam Tathapi shochasyatmanam Akrutartha iva prabho. You have fully delineated the subject of impersonal Brahma as well as the knowledge derived therefrom. Why should you be despondent in spite of all this, thinking that you are undone, my dear Prabhu? Vyasa Uvacha Astyeva me sarvamidam tvayoktam tatapi natma paritushyate me tanmoolam maghadabodham pruchamahe tvatma bhavatma bhutam. Sri Vyasadeva said, all you have said about me is perfectly correct. Despite all this, I am not pacified. I therefore question you about the root cause of my dissatisfaction, for you are a man of unlimited knowledge due to your being the offspring of one Brahma, which is self-born without mundane father and mother. Savai bhavan veda samastaguhya mupasito yat purushah puranaha paravashesho manasaiva vishvam srujatyavattyati gunairasangaha. My Lord, everything that is mysterious is known to you because you worship the creator and destroyer of the material world and the maintainer of the spiritual world, the original personality of Godhead, who is transcendental to the three modes of material nature. Tvam त्वं पर्यटन् नर्क इव त्रिलोकी मनश्चरो वायुरिवात्मसाक्षी परावरे ब्रह्मणि धर्मतो व्रतैः स्नातस्य मे न्युपमलं विचक्ष्व त्वं पर्यटन् अर्क इव त्रिलोकीम् अन्तश्चरो वायुरिवात्मसाक्षी परावरे ब्रह्मणि धर्मतो व्रतैः स्नातस्य मे न्यूनमलं विचक्ष्व. Like the sun, your goodness can travel everywhere in the three worlds, and like the air, you can penetrate the internal region of everyone. As such, you are as good as all-pervasive Supersoul. Please therefore find out the deficiency in me, despite my being absorbed in transcendence under disciplinary regulations and vows. Sri Narada Uvacha भवतानुदितप्रायम् यशो भगवतो मलं येनैवासौ न तुष्येत मन्ये तद्दर्शनमखिलम्. Sri Narada said, "You have not actually broadcast the sublime and spotless glories of the personality of Godhead. That philosophy which does not satisfy that transcendental senses of the Lord is considered worthless. Yata dharmadayaschartha munivaryanukirtitaha na yata vasudevasya mahima hyanuvarnitaha." Although great sage, you have very broadly described the four principles beginning with religious performances. You have not described the glories of the Supreme Personality, Vasudeva. Nayad vachas tripadam harer yasho jagat pavitram pragrunita karhichit tadvayasam tirtha mushanti manasa nayatra hamsa niramantyushikshyaha nayadvachas चित्रपदं हरेर्यशो जगत्पवित्रं प्रगृणीत कर्हिचित् तद्वायसं तीर्थमुशन्ति मानसा न यत्र हंसा निरमन्त्र्युशिक्ष्याः. Those words which do not describe the glories of the Lord, who alone can sanctify the atmosphere of the whole universe, are considered by saintly persons to be like unto a place of pilgrimage for crows, since all perfect persons are inhabitants of the transcendental abode, they do not derive any pleasure there. Those words which do not describe the glories of the Lord, who alone can sanctify the atmosphere of the whole universe, are considered by saintly persons to be like unto a place of pilgrimage for crows, since the all-perfect persons are inhabitants of the transcendental abode, they do not derive any pleasure there. Tadvagvisargo जनताघ्लविप्लवो यस्मिन् प्रतिश्लोकमबद्धवत्यति नामान्यनन्तस्य यशोऽङ्कितानि यच्छृण्वति गायन्ति गृह्णन्ति साधवः. On the other hand, that literature which is full of descriptions of transcendental glories of the name, fame, forms, pastime, etc. of the unlimited Supreme Lord is a different creation, full of transcendental words, directed toward bringing about a revolution in the impious lives of this world's misdirected civilization. Such transcendental literatures, even though imperfectly composed, are heard, sung, and accepted by purified men who are thoroughly honest. On the other hand, that literature, which is full of descriptions of the transcendental glories of the name, fame, forms, pastimes, etc., of the unlimited Supreme Lord, is a different creation, full of transcendental words, directed towards bringing about a revolution in the impious lives of this world's misdirected civilization. Such transcendental literatures, even though imperfectly composed, are heard, sung, and accepted by purified men who are thoroughly honest. नैष्कर्म्यप्यच्युत भाववर्जितं न शोभते ज्ञानमलं निरञ्जनं कुतः पुनः शाश्वतभद्रमीश्वरे न चापितं कर्म यदप्यकारणम्. Knowledge of self-realization, even though free from all material affinity, does not look well if devoid of a conception of the infallible God. What then is the use of fruitive activities which are naturally painful from the very beginning and transient by nature if they are not utilized for devotional service of the Lord? Ato mahabhagabhavanamoghdruk suchishravaha satyarato drutavratah urukramasya bandhamuktaye samadhinanusmara tadvicheshtitam. O Vyasadeva, your vision is completely perfect. Your good fame is spotless. You are firm in woe and situated in truthfulness, and thus you can think of the pastimes of the Lord in trance for the liberation of the people in general from all material bondage. Tatonyata kinchana yadvivakshatah prutadrushastat-krutarupanaamabhihi nakarhichit kwapi cha dhustita matmati matir labhetavata hatanau kilaspadam naurivaspadam tatonyata kinchana yadvivakshatah prutadrushastat-krutarupanaamabhihi nakarhichit kwapi cha dhustita matir labhetavata naurivaspadam labhetavata naurivaspadam. Whenever you desire to describe that is separate in vision from the Lord, whatever you desire to describe that is separate in vision from the Lord simply reacts with different forms, names, and results to agitate the mind as the wind agitates a boat which has no resting place. Whatever you desire to describe that is separate in vision from the Lord simply reacts with different forms, names, and results to agitate the mind as the wind agitates a boat which has no resting place. जुगुप्सितं धर्मकृतेऽनुशासतः स्वभावरक्तस्य महान् व्यतिक्रमः यद्वाक्यतो धर्म इतीतरस्थितो न मन्यते तस्य निवारणं जनः. The people in general are naturally inclined to enjoy, and you have encouraged them in that way in the name of religion. This is verily condemned and is quite unreasonable, because they are guided under your instructions. They would accept such activities in the name of religion and will hardly care for prohibitions. विचक्षणोऽस्यार्हति वेदितुं विभो रनन्तपारस्य निवृत्तितः सुखं प्रवर्तमानस्य आत्मनस् ततो भवादर्शय चेष्टितं विभो. The Supreme Lord is unlimited. Only a very expert personality, retired from the activities of material happiness, deserves to understand this knowledge of spiritual values. Therefore, those who are not so well situated due to material attachment should be shown the ways of transcendental realization by your goodness through descriptions of the transcendental activities of the Supreme Lord. The Supreme Lord is unlimited. Only a very expert personality, retired from the activities of material happiness, deserves to understand this knowledge of spiritual values. Therefore, those who are not so well situated due to material attachment should be shown the ways of transcendental realization by your goodness through descriptions of the transcendental activities of the Supreme Lord. त्यक्त्वा स्वधर्मं चरणाम्बुजं भजन्नपक्वोत पतेत्ततो यदि यत्र क्व वा भद्रमभूतमुष्य किम् को वार्त आप्तो भजतां स्वधर्मतः. O who has forsaken his material occupations to engage in the devotional service of the Lord, one who has forsaken his material occupations to engage in the devotional service of the Lord may sometimes fall down while in an immature stage, yet there is no danger of his being unsuccessful. On the other hand, a non-devotee, though fully engaged in occupational duties, does not gain anything. तस्यैव हेतोः प्रयतेत को विधो न लभ्यते यद्भ्रमतामुपर्यदः तल्लभ्यते दुःखवदन्त्यतः सुखं कालेन सर्वत्र गभीररंहसा. Persons who are actually intelligent and philosophically inclined should endeavor only for that purposeful end which is not obtainable even by wandering from the topmost planet, Brahmaloka, down to the lowest planet, Patala. As far as happiness derived from sense enjoyment is concerned, it can be obtained automatically in course of time, just as in the course of time we obtain miseries even though we do not desire them. न वै जनो जातु कथञ्चनाव्रजेन् मुकुन्दसेवन्त्यवदङ्गसंसृतिम् स्मरन् मुकुन्दाङ्ग्रयुप स्मरन् मुकुन्दाङ्ग्रयुपगुहनं पुनर्विहातुमिच्छेन्न रसग्रहो जनः न वै जनो जातु कथाञ्चनाव्रजेन् मुकुन्दसेवै सेव्यान्यवदङ्गशं संसृतिं स्मरन् मुकुन्दङ्घ्रि उपगुह्यनं पुनर्विहातुम् इच्छेन रसो ग्रहो जनः. My dear Vyasa, even though a devotee of Lord Krishna sometimes falls down somehow or the other, he certainly does not undergo material existence like others, fruit workers, etc., because a person who has relished the taste of lotus feet of the Lord can do nothing but remember that ecstasy again and again. Idam hi vishvam bhagavanivetaro yato gatastana nirodha sambhavaha तद्धिस्वयं वेदभवांस्तथापिते प्रादेशमात्रं भवतः प्रदर्शितम्. The Supreme Lord, Personality of Godhead, is Himself this cosmos, and still He is aloof from it. From Him only has this cosmic manifestation emanated. In Him it rests, and unto Him it enters after annihilation. Your good self knows all about this. I have given only a synopsis. त्वमात्मनात्मानवपेह्यमोघ धृक् परस्य पुंसः परमात्मनः कलाम् अजं प्रजातं जगतः शिवायतन् महानुभावाभ्युदयोधि गण्यताम्. Your goodness has perfect vision. You yourself can know the super soul personality of Godhead because you are present as the planetary portion of the Lord. Although you are birthless, you have appeared on this earth for the well-being of all people. Please therefore describe the transcendental pastimes of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, more vividly. Idam hi pumsas tapasah shrutasya va svishtasya bhuktasya cha buddhidattayoh avichrutortah kavibhirnirupito yaduttama-shloka gunanuvarnanam. Learned circles have positively concluded that the infallible purpose of advancement of knowledge, namely austerities, study of Vedas, sacrifice, chanting of hymns, and charity, culminates in the transcendental descriptions of the Lord, who is defined in choice poetry. Aham puratitamave bhayam aham puratita-bhavebhyavam mune dasyastu kasyāschana vedavādinām nirupito balaka eva yoginām susrūshane pravrushti nirvivikshatam. O Muni, in the last millennium, I was born as the son of a certain maid servant engaged in the service of the Brahmanas who were following the principles of Vedanta. When they were living together during the 4 months of the rainy season, I was engaged in their personal service. Te mayyapeta kila chapaler bhake dante drukta क्रीडनकेनुवर्तिनी चक्रुः कृपाम् यद्यपि तुल्यदर्शनाः शुश्रूषमाणे मुनयोल्पभाषिणी. Although they were impartial by nature, those followers of the Vedanta blessed me with their causeless mercy. As far as I was concerned, I was self-controlled and had no attachment for sports, even though I was a boy. In addition, I was not naughty and I did not speak more than required. उच्चिष्टलेपाननुमोदितो द्विजैः सकृत्स्म भुञ्जे तदपास्तकिल्भिषः एवं प्रवृत्तस्य विशुद्धचेतसस्तद्धर्म एवात्मरुचिः प्रजायते. Only once, by their permission, I took the remnants of their food, and by doing so, all my sins were at once eradicated. Thus, being engaged, I became purified in heart, and at that time, the very nature of the transcendentalist became attractive to me. Tatranvaham Krishnakatah praghayata Manugrahena Shrunavam Manoharaha Tashraddhaya Menupadam Vishunvataha Viprashravashyanga Mamabhavadruchihi. O Vyasadeva, in that association and by the mercy of those great Vedantas, I could hear them describe the attractive activities of Lord Krishna, and thus listening attentively, my taste for hearing of the personality of Godhead increased at every step. Tasmim stada labdarucher mahamate priyashravasya kalita matirmama yatahametat sadasat swamayaya pashye mai brahmani kalpitam pare. O great sage, as soon as I got the taste of the personality of Godhead, my attention to hear of the Lord was unflinching, and as my taste developed, I could realize that it was only in my ignorance that I had accepted gross and subtle coverings, for both the Lord and I are transcendental. Ittam sharat pravrushi kavrutu hare hare ittam sharat pravruti ittam sharat pravrushi kavrutu hare vishrunvato menusavam yashomalam samkirtyamanam munibhirmahatmabhir bhaktif pravrittatmara jastamopaha. Thus, during 2 seasons, the rainy season and autumn, I had the opportunity to hear these great-souled sages constantly chant the unadulterated glories of Lord Hari. As the flow of my devotional service began, the coverings of the modes of passion and ignorance vanished. Tasyaivam menuraktasya प्रश्रितस्य हतैन सह श्रद्दधानस्य बालस्य दान्तस्यानुचरस्य च. I was very much attached to those sages. I was gentle in behavior, and all my sins were eradicated in their service. In my heart, I had strong faith in them. I had subjugated the senses, and I was strictly following them with body and mind. Jnanam, jnanam guhyatamam yattat साक्षात् भगवतोदितम् अन्ववोचन् गमिष्यन्तः कृपया दीनवत्सलाः. As they were leaving, those Bhakti Vedantas, who are very kind to poor-hearted souls, instructed me that most confidential subject, which is instructed by the personality of Godhead Himself. येनैवाहं भगवतो वासुदेवस्य वेदसः मायानुभावमविदं येन गच्छन्ति तत्पदम्. By that confidential knowledge, I could understand clearly the influence of energy of Lord Sri Krishna, the creator, maintainer, and annihilator of everything. By knowing that, one can return to him and personally meet him. Etat samsuchitam brahmastapatraya chikitsitam yadishware bhagavati karma brahmani bhavitam. O Brahmana Vyasadeva, it is decided by the learned that the best remedial measure for removing all troubles and miseries is to dedicate one's activities to the service of the Supreme Lord, Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna. Amayo yascha bhutanam jayate yena suvrata tadeva hyamayam dravyam na punati chikitsitam. O good soul, does not a thing applied therapeutically cure a disease which was caused by that very same thing? Yevam runam kriya yogaha sarve samsruti hetavaha tayevatma vinashaya kalpante kalpitah pare. Thus, when all the men's activities are dedicated to the service of the Lord, those very activities which cause this perpetual bondage become the destroyer of the tree of the work. Yadatra kriyate karma bhagavat parishtoshanam jnanam yattadadhinam hi bhakti yoga samanvitam. Whatever work is done here in this life for the satisfaction of the vision, satisfaction of the mission of the Lord is called Bhakti Yoga, or transcendental loving service to the Lord, and what is called knowledge becomes a concomitant factor. Kurvana yatra karmani bhagavat chikshaya sakrita grunanti gunanamani krishnasyanusmaranti cha. While performing duties according to the order of Sri Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, one constantly remembers him, his names and his qualities. Om Namo Bhagavate Tubhyam. Om Namo Bhagavate Tubhyam Vasudevaya Dhimahi Pradyumnaya Niruddhaya Namah Sankarshanaya Cha. Om Namo Bhagavate Tubhyam Vasudevaya Dhimahi प्रद्युम्नाय निरुद्धाय नमः संकर्षणाय च। ॐ नमो भगवते तुभ्यं वासुदेवाय धीमहि प्रद्युम्नाय निरुद्धाय नमः संकर्षणाय च। Let us chant the glories of Vasudeva along with his planetary expansions Pradyumna, Aniruddha and Sankarshana. Iti मूर्त्यभिधानेन मन्त्रमूर्तिमूर्तिकं यजते यज्ञपुरुषं सम्यग्दर्शनः पुमान्। Thus he is the active seer who worships in the form of transcendental sound representation that supreme personality of Godhead, Vishnu, who has no material form. Imam swanigamam brahman navetya mada nushtitam adan me jnanamaishwaryam swasmin bhavam cha keshavaha. O Brahmana, thus by the Supreme Lord Krishna, I was endowed first with the transcendental knowledge of the Lord, as inculcated in the confidential parts of the Vedas, then with the spiritual opulences, and then with his intimate loving service. त्वमप्यदभ्रश्रुतिविश्रुतं विभोः समाप्यते येन विदां भुभुत्सितं प्राक्याहि दुःखैर्मुहुरर्दितात्मनां संश्लोकनिर्वाणमुशन्ति नान्यथा. Please therefore describe the Almighty Lord's activities which you have learned by your vast knowledge of the Vedas, for that will satisfy the hankering of the great learned men and at the same time mitigate the miseries of masses of common people who are always suffering from material pangs. Indeed, there is no other way to get out of such miseries. Thus ends the chapter entitled Narada's Instructions on Srimad Bhagavatam for Vyasadeva. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.